राधे राधे एवरीवन। सो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे हमारे जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं फॉर क्लास 9 का चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट, मैटर इन अ सराउंडिंग्स। सो इसके हम क्वेश्चन देखेंगे लाइक 1 मार्कर, 2 मार्कर, 3 मार्कर एंड 5 मार्कर, एंड न्यूमेरिकल भी देखेंगे जैसे जैसे हमारे CBSE में बनते हैं। सो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन विथ आंसर्स हमारे होंगे from class 9 science chapter number 1 matter in a surrounding. So 1 mark question है हमारे like define matter. So matter is anything that occupies space and having mass, मतलब that has mass. So second question is what are the 3 states of matter? So solid, liquid and gas are the 3 states of matter. Which state of matter has no fixed shape but a fixed volume, that is liquid? What is diffusion? The process of mixing two substances due to motion of the particle is called diffusion. That is mixing of two substances due to the motion, मतलब due to the motion when two particles are in motion, so that thing is called diffusion. Which property of matter allows the smell of perfume to spread across a room? So the particle of matter are constantly moving and having space between them, allowing diffusion. So पार्टिकल ऑफ मैटर हमारे कंटिन्यूसली मूव करते रहते हैं, उनके बीच में स्पेसेस होते हैं, इसी चलते हैं, और डिफ्यूजन के प्रोसेस से हमारा जो स्मेल होता है फैल जाता है अक्रॉस रूम। सो फिर आगे देखते हैं हमारे 2 to 3 मार्कर क्वेश्चन। राइट एनी 2 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक of particles of matter. So particle of matter are very small, particle of matter are continuously moving. So हमारे matter के particles काफ़ी slow होते हैं and वो continuously move करते हैं. So question number 7, why does a gas fill the entire container in which they are kept? Gases have particles with very weak intermolecular force and they move randomly and freely in all directions, allowing them to fill the entire space. So we see gases have very low weak intermolecular forces and they randomly move in and freely in all directions, allowing them to fill the entire space. So question number 8, differentiate between solid, liquid and gas in any 2 points. So in solid, shape is fixed and compressibility is negligible. In liquid, shape is not fixed and compressibility is small. In gas, shape is not fixed and but compressibility is high. So our 9th question, why does gases diffuse faster than liquid? So in gases, the particle move very rapidly and are apart, so they can mix more easily and quickly than in liquid. We see earlier gases have low intermolecular spaces, like here we see very weak intermolecular forces and they move randomly and freely in all direction. So यहाँ पे यही बताया गया है कि कैसे ज़्यादा जल्दी जल्दी डिफ्यूज़ करते हैं गैसेस कंपेयर टू लिक्विड. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, हाउ डज टेम्परेचर अफेक्ट द स्टेट ऑफ मैटर? So on increasing the temperature, the kinetic energy of the particle increases, causing solid turn into liquid and melting in and liquid into gases by the process of evaporation. So जब हम टेम्परेचर बढ़ाते हैं उससे हमारी जो काइनेटिक एनर्जी होती है पार्टिकल्स की वो बढ़ जाती है, जिससे कि हमारा जो सॉलिड होता है वो लिक्विड में टर्न हो जाता है थ्रू मेल्टिंग, एंड लिक्विड हमारा गैसेस में बदल जाता है through the process of evaporation. So our 3 to 5 mark questions. So describe an activity to show that particles of matter are continuously moving. So take a glass of water and add few drops of ink or potassium permanganate. So do not stir, मतलब ऐसे छोड़ देंगे आप. फिर after some time the color starts spreading slowly without stirring. This shows that the particles of both water and ink are moving and mixing on their own movement. So इससे हमें दिखेगा कि हमारे जो पार्टिकल हैं खुद ही खुद मिक्स हो रहे हैं. So हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, explain with diagram how matter changes from solid to liquid and liquid to gas. So solid to liquid through melting on heating, liquid to gas by boiling or evaporation on heating. Then energy is absorbed in both the processes, which increases kinetic energy, overcomes the force of attraction. You can draw a flow chart showing solid to liquid, vice versa, and liquid to gases, which arrow labeled melting, boiling, condensation, and freezing. So you can show that. So our question number 13, what is evaporation state for factor affecting its rate? So evaporation is the process by which a liquid changes into vapor at a temperature below boiling point. So evaporation is a process in which our liquid changes into vapor at a temperature below its boiling point. So our factors are temperature, surface area, wind speed, and humidity. So our question number 14, why does evaporation cause cooling? Give an example. When a liquid evaporates, it absorbs heat energy from the surroundings to overcome the force of attraction, which lowers the temperature of the surrounding. So like sweating cools our body in summers through our cotton clothes that we wear. So when our liquid when our liquid evaporates, so when our sweat is evaporating, it absorb heat energy. it absorb मतलब जो हमारा हीट जो स्वेट होता है उसका हीट एनर्जी absorb होता है फ्रॉम द सराउंडिंग टू ओवरकम द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन विच लोअर्स द टेम्परेचर, जो हमारे स्वेट का फिर टेम्परेचर कम हो जाता है ऑफ द फ्रॉम द सराउंडिंग, मतलब सराउंडिंग से फिर कम हो जाता है, देन वी फील कि कूलिंग मतलब हमें फील होती है. Then a numerical based question. So convert 300 Kelvin to Celsius. So we know Celsius degree is equal to K minus 273. So the 300 minus 273 is equal to 27 degrees Celsius. So convert 25 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. So K is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. That would be 298 Kelvin. So here our lecture is over. So Radhe Radhe everyone.